Hi folks, it's very late at night and it's kind of dark because I like it spooky. Let's see. Okay, I tell a lot of people I wasn't going to talk about phase 6, but phase 6 is important. I just realized that over the YouTube and other internet and Instagram and Twitter and stuff, people are talking about Andorra. It's a small country between France and Spain, and it has a long history. But unfortunately, it's not supposed to be in this timeline. Like Taurine. People still don't understand. They look at me kind of funny. Uncle Alan knows a lot of weird things, even before Yankee and Ford. That's Hiking Deep and Yankee Outdoors Adventures. So if you want to find out stuff, please check out their channel every end of the month. Catch you later, folks.